Hi, kindergartners. Today we'll be reading Who Lives on a Farm, written by Pam Holden. We see cows on a farm. We see pigs on a farm. We see hens on a farm. We see horses on a farm. We see sheep on a farm. We see dogs on a farm. We see goats on a farm. We see farmers on a farm. And here are some of the words that were in our story. See, on, we, a, we, and then they have an S here that was added to some words. So kindergartners, this book is in Epic. So there are lots of great books that you can find in Epic to read by yourself or have read to you. Bye.